Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Some people leave, others join, maybe more than people who leave. We have already told the High Command our views, and we are with the people. We don't want alliances. We have seen earlier, but the High Command will decide. What alliances have done earlier, still some of them are sitting in the lap of BJP. Others left BJP only because they were kicked. So that is what it is.
So your personal view is that there should be no alliance and Congress should go all out alone?
Yes, I have been saying from beginning, and I say here, I want alliance with the public, with the voters, that's all.
एकेवटेन गोवा फॉरवर्ड युतीचेर काँग्रेसीचे जापेक रावले आसतना सार्दीन असले उलयता. काँग्रेसीच्या राष्ट्रीय बायला फाट्याच्या अध्यक्षान काँग्रेसीच्या बायलांचे मार्गदर्शन केले. उपरांत मिडिया कडेन उलयली.
Coming on the way, we saw a lot of banners and posters that were torn, and and I guess the TMC people are saying, number one, I fail to understand how so much of money is pumped in for these things. If you see, if you turn right, turn left, every 10 steps, the way hoardings are, and then that destroys, and it will not be destroyed. It would take a lot of time to be destroyed the way it is destroyed, and entire. So I guess there should be a probe into it, and things should be checked. Who actually destroyed it? Whether it was destroyed by some people purposefully just to gain sympathy of the goings. When I was coming here, I was just seeing the hoardings that were put up, and I was surprised as to what's happening. So-called Aam Aadmi Party, where they talk about generating employment for Goans. Check through this RTI that is dated the reply dated 6/4/2021. You will realize that only 400 government jobs have been provided by the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi in the last 7 years. The situation of power in Delhi. Delhi has never faced such a situation. The women in Delhi are not at all safe with the current Aam Aadmi Party government.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक आनी स्वप्नील तारी.